How to set adapt sound for your age group on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. After that, we then scroll down and tap on sounds and vibration. Then scroll down and tap on sound quality and effects. Then tap on adapt sound, tap on the left hand side panel. From here, make sure at the top you tap on the toggle button to switch it on. Then go down and tap on an age group. So for example, 30 to 60 years old. This will boost high and mid frequency. So tap on the settings icon and you can preview the frequency settings for your age group. From here, you can choose prefer ear for calls on the left or right side, and you can set the sound preference to clear or soft. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.